Auto insurance in United States, vehicle insurance in the United States, vehicle insurance, car insurance, or auto insurance in the United States and elsewhere is designed to cover the risk of financial liability or the loss of motor vehicle that the owner may face if their vehicle is involved in a collision that results in property or physical damage. Wikipedia. What is auto insurance? What are the types of auto insurance coverage? There are typical basic personal auto insurance is mandated by most US United States and laws vary. Wikipedia. Vehicle insurance in the United States. In the United States in 2017, the largest private passenger vehicle insurance providers in terms of market share were Best Car Insurance Companies of October 2021, Forbes Advisor. State Farm is the largest auto and home insurer in the US. The company sells vehicle insurance for car, motorcycles. 10 largest auto insurance companies, October 2021. The number of auto insurance companies in the country in terms of market share and premiums written is State Farm, followed by GISO. Cheapest car insurance companies, October 2021, US News and World Report. Cheap car insurance for good drivers, top USA has the cheapest rates for good drivers. GISO is the best choice for the most consumers. The best car insurance companies 2021, US News and World Report. Top ranked car insurance companies, USAA, State Farm, Geico, Nationwide, Farmers, American Family, Progressive. Geico, Amica Mutual Insurance, Allstate, American Family Insurance, Autonomous Insurance, The Hartford. Top 10 auto insurance companies in USA. Geico insurance types, best car insurance types of car insurance, Amica car insurance. Car insurance in the US statistics and facts. Statista. In 2018, there were over 34,000 fatalities, about 1.8 million injuries, and approximately 5 million cars crashes which involve property. Typical components of an auto insurance policy, Allstate. 6 common car insurance coverage options are auto liability coverage, in insured and unrestricted motorist coverage, comprehensive coverage, and collision coverage. List of car insurance companies, car and auto insurance quotes online. Car insurance in the USA. Check out car insurance in the USA. Car insurance companies in USA. Auto insurance in the US. And like this video, share this video with your friends, comment on this video, and subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell button for more latest updates. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.